People ask me every day, how can I respond to the narcissist in order to make them understand or in order to end the conversation? Like, what words do I say to this person? And my response is always, no response is your best bet. And if you have to say something, make it like a one-word answer. Keep any emotion out of your answer. And people still want a combination of words. So I'm gonna explain why no response is literally the best response. As we all know, actions speak louder than words. So this just goes to show how much whatever you're gonna say doesn't matter. They're still gonna have their agenda. They're still gonna try and manipulate you. It really makes no difference at the end of the day. It is about showing them how irrelevant what they have to say about you is. So yeah, what I'm saying is let them stew in the discomfort of your silence. If they keep talking, let them have a conversation with themselves. No matter what, they are going to continue their same predictable pattern in their own little delusional world. Let them continue believing the beliefs that they manufactured in order to support their narrative. Let them continue behaving like a toddler having a tantrum, but they are in an adult body. Because guess what? No matter how upset or angry or filled with rage the narcissist is, the world is going to continue to spin. And while the narcissist continues to stay out of touch with reality, as they will, you can then focus on much more important things like healing, setting boundaries, living your life,